Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the most satisfying videos of workers doing their work to perfection. If you're a fan of precision, craftsmanship, and a feeling of complete satisfaction, you've come to the right place. From artisans honing their skills to professionals mastering their craft, you'll see it all here. So, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's dive into a world of perfection. I'm totally blown away by how hypnotically this pastry chef applies a glass-like layer of frosting. It's amazing how a worker can make perfectly round mirrors with his bare hands. Check it out. Here's what a crate warehouse looks like when there's a real pro working there. In the hands of an experienced craftsman, a pressure washer can handle even a layer of rock-solid ice. The way this builder lays cement is just so incredibly satisfying. I found this satisfying process pleasing both to my eyes and ears. A loader found the best way to quickly move 10 heavy tires. Is this a chef or an artist? I can't decide. Check out this genius plasterer. His speed is on a whole other level. With such skillful hands, food never looks boring. You've never seen anything like this before. Just enjoy and wait. We have to admit, watching pros working at such a fast pace is a pleasure. Artists create amazing things on canvas, but this guy has surpassed them all by creating a masterpiece on ice. Fantastic. I don't think any machine is capable of doing something like this at the same level. Don't you agree? It's amazing that this man has arms powerful enough to bend metal rods so effectively. Witnessing the amazing visual effects of a hammer making thousands of micro cracks without breaking the glass. Just like that, this man has opened a whole plantation for growing rice. This is way cooler than watching a three-pointer. If you agree that being a donut maker would be the best job on earth, leave a like. This man is able to use a complex mechanism, thereby replacing a couple of additional workers. I advise you to memorize this convenient step-by-step way to cut down a tree. Just so you know, every rip in your jeans is handmade. Making an original cement exterior is possible when you're a talented artist at art. Just a few skilled motions, and the wall of liquid wallpaper is ready. Take a look at how unique the bartender is. Awesome. Part of Brick Lane. I don't think even a hairstylist could make cuts as straight as this bucket. Thank you very much for joining us for another episode of Satisfying Works. If you enjoyed watching these skilled professionals at work, don't forget to hit the like button to let us know. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for more incredibly satisfying content. We have some incredible videos and you won't want to miss a single one of them. So hit the notification bell to stay updated. Also, be sure to follow us on all your favorite social media platforms for behind-the-scenes content, exclusive updates, and more.